Morning, dear students. So we have studied that there was a boy named Hari, and he was very naughty. He used to pinch other children, pickle pin. Okay, so that's why other children hated him very much. Right? They didn't like him, and he has no friends. So what happened once he went and his class went to the picnic, and all the students, they raised hand in hand, they moved here and there, they were uh, shouting with joy. But what happened? Nobody took Hari's hand, nobody went near him, and nobody wanted to be his friend, right? Why? Because he used to bully other children, he used to tease other children, right? So now what happened? The other children, they didn't like Hari. So that's why Hari got angry. Okay, so now we have studied till here, and in the next week, now I'm going to continue from the next part on page number 136, the last paragraph. Okay, so hope you have understood till here. So Hari was angry. He went to a sandy corner and sat down by himself. He took out his lunch and looked at it. हरी was angry. हरी बहुत गुस्सा हो गया था. ठीक है, angry means गुस्सा हो जाना. ठीक है, to be in a state of anger. He went to a sandy corner. वो एक सैंडी कॉर्नर पे जाता है. सैंडी मतलब रेतीले कॉर्नर पे, मिट्टी के कॉर्नर पे. ठीक है, दैट मीन्स बीच की साइड पे ही एक सैंडी कॉर्नर पे जाता है. एंड सैट डाउन बाय हिमसेल्फ, और बैठ जाता है. ठीक है, सैट डाउन बाय हिमसेल्फ मीन्स बैठ जाना. ओके, अकेला. ओके, ही टुक आउट हिज लंच. वो अपना लंच बाहर निकालता है. टुक आउट मीन्स बाहर निकालना. ठीक है, ब्रिंग आउट. एंड लुक्ड एट इट, और उसे देखता है. सो हरी वॉज एंग्री. ही went to a sandy corner and sat down by himself. He took out his lunch and looked at it. Okay, he, just like, see, he is doing here. He brought out his lunch and saw it, what is there in his lunch. So it was a good lunch. Okay, बहुत lunch उसका अच्छा था. ठीक है, that was very good. So there were 2 hard-boiled eggs, 6 jam sandwiches, 3 pieces of bread and butter, a ginger cake, and a bar of chocolate. Okay, what were there? Okay, 2 hard-boiled eggs. Okay, eggs, 6 jam sandwiches, 3 pieces of bread and butter, a ginger cake and a bar of chocolate. So उसके लंच में 2 एग्स सैंडविचेस, जिसके अंदर क्या लगा हुआ था? जैम बना हुआ था. ठीक है, जैम सैंडविच किसको बोलते हैं? ब्रेड कट करके उनके बीच में जैम लगा दिया जाए. ठीक है, दैट आर जैम सैंडविचेस. देन ब्रेड एंड बटर, ब्रेड के ऊपर बटर लगा के ब्रेड बटर. ओके, एंड जिंजर केक एंड चॉकलेट. Okay, so these were packed in his lunch. So he looked at it and it looked very tasty. It was a nice lunch. So he would eat it all by himself. He wouldn't offer anything to anyone. So वो क्या करते हैं? He started eating all alone and he didn't even ask any other children that whether they want to eat or not. तो वो अपना खाना खुद शुरू कर देता है, किसी से मीन्स पूछता नहीं है. He didn't ask anyone. Okay. So in next paragraph we will do in the next video. So hope you this is clear to you. Okay, Hari was angry and he went to a sandy corner near the rocky pool. Okay, and sat down by himself. Here some words are missing from the book. Near the rocky pool. Okay, he took out his lunch and looked at it. It was a good lunch. There were 2 hot-boiled eggs, 6 jam sandwiches, 3 pieces of bread and butter, a ginger cake, and a bar of chocolate. Okay, so he would eat it all by himself. He wouldn't offer anything to anyone. In the next video, we will continue the next part. Till then, read this part.